Alright, what we have here today is a August STUKENBROK EINBECK pistol. It's a very old German pistol, manufactured approximately 1910. I'm actually just going to do a quick video because I'm passing this one along to another collector who is maybe a little more ambitious than I am. A lot of work to be done on this if you want to restore it. As you can see, one of the grips is broken off the top there, and good luck finding a replacement for that. I guess if you're really talented, you could mold one from the opposite side, but that's a lot more than I want to get into. These were, like I said, manufactured in Germany and sold by a company called August STUKENBROK EINBECK. Not sure if that's pronounced right or not again. The caliber was approximately a 38, 8.5 millimeter. Nearest I can tell, nothing that you can buy at Walmart for sure. A very odd cartridge. Maybe not odd back then, but you can't find any of those now anywhere, I'm sure. It has a unique extractor, or unique to pistols that I've seen anyway. Actually pulls out right here, and then you just rotate it around to the cylinder and eject like that. Pretty simple, really. August STUKENBROK was again a mail order company in Germany back in the day, pre-war. Very similar to our own Sears and Roebuck. You could order anything from bicycles to handguns through them. 6-shot revolver, side loading gate, which is actually still intact, which is a miracle. The action, of course, doesn't really work. Missing a pin right here for one thing, and along with a couple other parts, I'm sure. Markings on it. We have what appears to be, I don't know if you can really see that, the number 13 right there. I'm not sure if that's the serial number or just the model number. And on the top, you have the, trying to focus where you can see that a little bit there. You have the complete name of the company, August STUKENBROK EINBECK. And then it tells you a little bit about where it was manufactured. Which was in Einbeck, Germany. From what I understand, August STUKENBROK was in existence until about 1932. I'm not sure if the war and all that had something to do with them going out of business, but I'm sure it did. Again, it's nothing fancy. I'm sure back in the day this was a cheap pistol you could buy for self-defense. Maybe akin to our own Saturday night specials. Simple design, small, lightweight. Well, considering it's made out of solid metal, but still, you can stick this in your pocket and carry it around wherever you wanted to, probably without anyone really knowing about it. Interesting design on the handle here. Very intricate. This is, I believe, a some form of very hard black rubber that's used on these grips. Got some type of cherub there, slaying a dragon maybe. Very intricate. This was double action with the external safety actually, which is a handy little feature if you're going to stick this in your pocket right there. Nickel plated frame. That's about all I can tell you about it really. There's not a whole lot of information on it. You can actually buy on eBay a copy of the August Stukenbrock catalog, which is of course a reproduction digital copy. I believe 1912 is the year they have available on there, and I never got around to ordering one, but I'm sure you could probably locate this pistol in there along with a lot of other guns. It looks like they sold a lot of double barrel sporting shotguns back in the day, which was, I'm sure, a popular item with them. About all I've got for you today. Kind of sad to see this go, but passing on to someone who hopefully will, like I say, have a little more time than I do to restore it. Maybe get it back to working order. Maybe even figure out what caliber this takes. Dig up a few rounds somewhere.